Welcome to El Calafate, Patagonia in Argentina. In this video I tell you how to go from El Calafate to El Chaltén. You can rent a car, take a taxi or book an excursion. It is also possible to take the bus. It costs around 4,000 pesos and there are two different companies that you can use. They leave in the morning and in the afternoon. The next subject we are going to discuss is really interesting. We are going to talk money. Because there's a really interesting euro-dollar blue market in Argentina. Since the locals can't buy more than an X amount a month, it is possible to sell your dollars or euros for a better exchange rate than when you go to an official bank. In El Calafate there's a place where you can exchange quite good. It's called Western Union. So I advise you to take some cash with you and exchange it here or in another city. But Western Union is the best option here in El Calafate as far as I know. It is also possible sometimes to exchange in the restaurants. Ask a local here, what clothes do I need to bring? They start laughing, because the weather changes the whole day around. You probably already heard of the famous Patagonia wind, so you want to have a good hat to cover up your ears. You also need a good warm jacket, comfortable pants and your walking shoes. Thank you for watching and please like and subscribe for more videos.